In the name of Allah, the most merciful and benevolent. Tell those who deny the truth that the time is not far away when you will be herded towards the hell, and what a miserable place to rest in. Translation of verse 12, Surat Al Imran. Dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. The Arabic term kafaru in the said verse is referring to not only those who don't accept Islam as a religion, but rather to all those, whether the non-believers or people of the book, now the ex-Muslims, or from amongst the present ones who are only Muslims in name. So the verse is addressing to all such kafirin. Now we've understood whom this word is referring to, but yet we have to understand the actual meaning of it. By kufr, Allah means the act of covering the truth. In Arabic, kafir is the farmer who dig the land and sow the seed and then cover it up again. This act of covering or concealing is called kufr, and the ones performing it are called the kafirin, and according to Quran, those of the human beings who hide or deny the truth that Allah has revealed to them are called the same. And now let's understand what is the denial of truth. Whatever Allah has revealed to us, whether the knowledge of good and evil, or the order to refrain from any particular act, or the order to perform it. In either case, if we act against His orders, we will be doing kufr. So it's pretty clear now that kafir is not just any non-Muslim, but anyone who denies the truth either by what he believes in or by how he acts upon in contradiction of it. Only we are not supposed to label or point out at anyone as kafir. That is totally between the person and his Allah. Allah is warning such people on this verse that don't forget the time for the judgment is nearby, and those who deny the truth will surely be dealt with like an inconsequent and worthless herd and will be driven into hell forcefully. And the hell is referred to as a miserable and wretched, wicked and evil place to rest in forever. Mihad in Arabic is actually a leather cradle that hugs the baby so that it can rest in care and protection inside it. Now the question is that why these people will be treated in such a contemptuous and insulting way. Well, because denying the truth brings about a certain kind of behavior in a person which involves an arrogant and rebellious attitude towards the master, the one we are supposed to bow down to instead of rebelling or going against. Such a person thinks of himself capable of doing all and everything, even at others' stake or at any cost. The person becomes feelingless, heedless, careless, even ruthless and cruel to get his own way. And the main purpose of a human being's life after Allah's worship is to take care of each other. Allah has created us in such a way that we are useful and to an extent indispensable to each other. Not accepting Allah and denying the truth both goes hand in hand and are disastrous to our fellow beings. Causing hurt and harm to others will eventually prove disastrous and torturous both in this world and the next. May Allah protect us from harming our own selves and ending up eventually into the hellfire. May Allah grant us the life in heaven. Amen. Thanks for listening and take care till the next time.